everybody, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how I do my cut crease. So I'm going to take this matte book palette again, and I'm going to just use pretty much these browns again. And I'm going to start off with the lightest brown. Of course, it's my transition shade. I'm going to go here. I'm just going to start blending that in. And when you're adding colors, you're just going slightly underneath each layer. And that's what's gonna kind of give it that like blended out effect. But you might have to go back in with the lighter colors because, especially with pigmented palettes like this, because sometimes the colors can get, you know, overshadowed. With the last color, I'm gonna really center it in the lid, like even lift up my, kind of close my eye in a little bit because I don't want it to get up far. I just want to add a little deepness, darkness, whatever you want to call it. Okay, so now we're done with that part. I'm gonna get into the hard part, kind of. So I do like what I do with my brows, and I'm gonna put the concealer in the back of my hand. Then I'm just gonna take a flat brush. You can use any type of flat brush. This is just the same flat brush that I use all the time. And I think my tip for cut crease is just go really fast. Don't think about it too much. Because I feel like when you go slow is when you really start to mess up, because you're trying to get like all precise and stuff, and you just kind of need to go ahead and, you know, do it. Okay, can't talk, guys. Okay, that's pretty much it. Now I'm gonna do the other eye. I'm gonna take the Smashbox, boop, and I'm gonna use, I think I'm gonna use this gold. It's actually really pretty. And I'm gonna take the same brush from earlier, dip it in there. I wish this had a mirror on it. That'd be so helpful. And just dab the color in. And you can kind of pull it out a little bit if you kind of butchered it like me, and then go back and blend in the ends. No, it's kind of giving. This one is a little higher, but one thing I'm learning about makeup is it doesn't have to be perfect, period. Sitting here taking your time when that lash is gonna cover it all up anyways. So just do what you want, sis. Do what you want. It's not perfectly symmetrical. It's okay. People aren't really gonna be able would tell like that. And even if they are they gonna say something? No, they're not gonna say something to you. So just do whatever you want. I had already did my brows today because I feel like y'all have already seen so many different times when we do my brows. So I didn't feel the need to do it again. And I'll attach a video just in case you haven't seen, just in case this is your first video of me doing my brows. Also, I should tell y'all, the concealer I took today is this Morphe concealer. I don't know like the full name. I don't know, but it's fire. You can get it at Ulta. I got it for the first time. I usually use the e.l.f., but I really like this one. I'm really getting into like the super bright underneath your eye. I think it's really cute. But okay, so we're pretty much done with the eye right now. We're gonna move on to the base. I will probably speed past this part because my base is the same. I'm not gonna do anything differently. Summer, my skin be looking like, what's the issue? Literally. But winter, my skin be looking like, hey, I'm gonna do a cute little 1-2 step there. Some under my chin today. Oh, I'm gonna show y'all something different today, kinda. So instead of using my regular Maybelline Fit Me powder, I'm gonna use this Airspun powder. Very bright. Like I said, I've been really into like the bright under eye. So this is perfect. It's just translucent powder. Now with this powder though, it's very thick. So just be careful, y'all. Underneath the contour here. Really accentuate that. Whoa, that gave me dumb cheekbone. Like, I know y'all saw that. The difference. And even though I kind of used a lot, you really don't need a lot of this powder, to be real with y'all. Especially because I'm gonna go back and I'm still gonna use the Fit Me Fresh powder, but yeah. You should probably cover your eyes because low-key I'm trashing my eyes right now with using all the setting spray and spraying it on there. But I don't really have anywhere to be, so. But if you have somewhere to be, you should probably like just do like that and then spray your face. Now I'm gonna go back in with the rest. Go in with the pressed powder and just take my finger and go on the sides of my nose gonna like so I still can have that contour, but it's not super messy. Center. I'm gonna use blush next. Do I want to do liner with this? I don't know. Should I do liner, y'all? What you think? Do y'all be feeling like liner ruins eyeshadow looks, or do you feel like it helps eyeshadow? It really can make or break it. With something like this, I feel like, now I'm gonna make a separate video. I'm gonna make a separate video for liner tutorial. Okay, next up is the lashes for Can y'all tell I spent my whole life on TikTok or no? Is it obvious? Follow me on TikTok, y'all. I'm playing. That would actually be really embarrassing. Never seen two perfect lash placements. It's always one of them gotta be ugly. They look straight or whatever. And that's that. Next up, I'm gonna add a little liner. I know. Yeah. That's all I'm gonna do. I said this off when you didn't look at me when I weigh in. Not this trying to leak. If this ever happens to y'all, just immediately call the police.
You wonder why, right? You start wondering, oh, why this? Oh, why that?
This hasn't happened to me in so long. Like, this is a catastrophe. I'm not even being dramatic. I'm gonna have to come back. Okay. I low-key recovered. Y'all, not the devil trying to show up in my video. He a hater. Facts. Why do you hate like that? Like, that's crazy. So lame. Like, literally, that never happens to me. And never with this liner. I just, hell? Anyway, back again. Back to back, Maybe stay. The ends. I recovered pretty much, so I sprayed my face with setting spray again just to get the moisture back. And then I just added a whole bunch of concealer and pray for the best. And honestly, if I were to do a close-up right now, I might look a mess, but you know, what can I say? Okay, so to do this red look, we're gonna start out with this MAC in Cyberworld liner. Next, highlight because I forgot. No, I'm not gonna do that. Yeah, I'm gonna just end it there before we end up having another liner moment. Yeah, I'll come back, I guess, looking like a little cuter, you know, do my little outro. Okay, you guys, so this, oh, hold on, let me look this up. Okay, I'll lift it up some more. Yeah, I'm just gonna squat down. Okay, guys, this is the final look. You know, I did a little ponytail or whatever. Put a little hit. I love this thing. It's cute, right? Maybe oversized. But yeah, so hope you like this video, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment.